In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a successful email in Mailchimp step by step, even if you're brand new to email marketing. By the end, you'll know how to sign in, start a new campaign, choose the right layout, customize your content, preview everything, and send your email with confidence. If you find this helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. Sign into your account using your email address and password. If you manage multiple accounts or workspaces, make sure you choose the correct one before continuing, because that will determine where your campaign is created and sent from. Once you're on the Mailchimp dashboard, look for the Create button. Click it, then select Email from the menu. After that, choose Regular Email. This is the option you'll use for newsletters, promotions, announcements, and other one-time campaigns. Next, Mailchimp will ask you to enter a campaign name. Type in a name that makes sense for your own tracking. Remember, this name is only for your reference, so make it descriptive and easy to recognize later. When you're ready, click Begin. Now you'll be moved into the email builder. At this point, select Design, then choose Basic Layout. This gives you a clean starting point that's easy to customize. Mailchimp may also ask you to choose a tone, and if you want a strong, confident style, you can select Bold. That helps set the feel for your email right from the beginning. Now it's time to start editing the content of your email. Begin with your logo. Click the logo area and upload or replace it with your brand logo so your email looks professional and recognizable. Then move on to the text sections. Click into each text block and edit the wording so it matches your message, your offer, or your announcement. Keep it clear, direct, and easy to read. If you want to make the email more visually engaging, you can also add an image. Just click the image block or insert an image into your layout. Then upload the file you want to use. This could be a product photo, a banner, or any visual that supports your message. After that, check your Action button. This button is important because it tells your readers what to do next. Click it and edit the button text, link and style so it matches your campaign goal. You might want it to say something like Shop Now, Learn More, or Sign Up, depending on what you're promoting. Once all of your sections are edited, take a few minutes to review the entire email carefully. Scroll through it from top to bottom and make sure everything looks right. Check the layout, the spacing, the images, the text, and the button. This preview step is really important because it helps you catch mistakes before you send the campaign to your audience. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Save and Exit. That saves your progress and brings you back to the main flow where you can finish preparing the campaign. Finally, when you're ready to publish it to your audience, click Send the email. And that's it. You've now created a successful email in Mailchimp from start to finish. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.